हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज़ शालिनी। वेलकम टू द लीगल लेंस। तो आज हम अपनी थर्ड क्लास लेंगे मेडाइवल हिस्ट्री की, जिसमें हम स्टार्ट करेंगे अर्ली मेडाइवल पीरियड से। इसमें पहला क्वेश्चन है, विच डायनेस्टी कंस्ट्रक्टेड द एलोरा कैलाश टेम्पल दैट इज राष्ट्रकूटास? हु क्रिएटेड द चोलासवर टेम्पल? विजयालय। हु वॉज द किंग टुक द रिवर गंगा फ्रॉम नॉर्थ टू साउथ? राजेंद्र फर्स्ट। Most Cholas temple were devoted to which god or goddess? Shiva. Who created the Kailash mud temple in Ellora, that is Krishna first? Where was the Lingaraj temple built during the medieval period? Bhubaneswar. Vikramshila Mahavir was established by the ruler of which dynasty? Pal dynasty. The monuments of Khajuraho belongs to the period of which ruler? Chandelas. Kanchi was the capital of which ruler? Pallavas. Next है, which dynasty founder was an elected king? Pal dynasty. At which place an example of Chola architecture can be seen? Tanjore. Next है, between whom the famous battle of Takollam in the South India was fought? Cholas and Rashtrakutas. Who was the Chola king to have conquered Bengal? That is Rajendra first. Who were the originator of the Dravidian style of architecture and sculpture in the South India? Cholas. Which dynasty succeeded the Chalukyas in Western India? Rashtrakutas. Next, which Chola king conquered Ceylon? Rajendra first. अब है Sultanate period. Who was the first Muslim invader in India? Muhammad bin Qasim. The famous historian who visited India with Mahmud Ghaznavi was Al-Baruni. Who was the first Muslim who studied Purans? Al-Baruni. Who issued silver coin with Sanskrit legend on one side? Mahmud of Ghazni. In which battle Muhammad Ghori defeated Jaichand? Battle of Chandavar, 1194 AD. Coins of which Muslim ruler bears an image of Devi Lakshmi? Muhammad Ghori. Next है, Muhammad Ghori granted first Iqta in India to Kutubuddin Aibak. Who was the founder of slave dynasty? Kutubuddin Aibak. Which Sultan of Delhi Sultanate is known as Lakh Baksh Kutubuddin Aibak? Next है, where was the capital of Kutubuddin Aibak? Lahore. Who was the first Sultan of Delhi who introduced regular coins and declared Delhi the capital of his empire? Iltutmish. Which dynasty of Delhi Sultanate ruled for the shortest period? Khilji. Next है, which Sultan is said to have raised the land revenue to one half of the produce? Alauddin Khilji. Which Sultan introduced market reforms? Alauddin Khilji. Which Muslim ruler enforced a strict price control system during his time? Alauddin Khilji. Next है, the Sultans of which dynasty ruled the country for the longest period? Tughlaq dynasty. Diwane Kohi is associated with Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Which ruler for the first time introduced the token currency in India? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Next है, Ibn Battuta, the Moorish traveller, visited India during the reign of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Who was the first Sultan of Delhi to participate in the public celebration of Holi? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Next है, the king was freed from his people and they from their king, on whose death did Badayuni comment this? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Public Works Department was primarily established by Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Next है, the Sultan of Delhi who is reputed to have built the biggest network of canals in India was Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Next question is, which Sultan of Delhi had levied jizya on Brahmins? Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Who brought two Ashoka pillars from Delhi to Topra and Meerut? Sikandar Lodi. The first Indian ruler to organize Hajj pilgrimage from the state exchequer was Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Next है, in which battle did Maharana Sanga defeated Ibrahim Lodi? Battle of Khatoli. Next है, who composed poem with the pen name Gulrukhi? Sikandar Lodi. Who created the department of Diwane-Arz in Delhi Sultanate? Balban. Next है, which medieval king of India introduced the Ikta system? Iltutmish. Which medieval king was responsible for introducing the silver coin called Tanka in the North India? Iltutmish. Next है, the first battle of Panipat was fought between Babar and Ibrahim Lodi. हु वॉज द ऑथर ऑफ शाहनामा फिरदौशी? हु वॉज द ऑथर ऑफ किताबुल हिंद अलबरूनी? नेक्स्ट है, वेयर वॉज द अमीर खुसरो बॉर्न? इटा। हु वॉज द कॉल्ड पैरट ऑफ इंडिया? अमीर खुसरो। हु वॉज नोन एज अकबर ऑफ कश्मीर? जैनुल आबदीन। नेक्स्ट है, वाई डिड महमूद ऑफ गजनी अटैक इंडिया टू establish his empire in India? The extent of Delhi Sultanate Empire was the greatest during whose reign? Alauddin Khilji. Who is considered as the father of Shahatara Sitar? Amir Khusro. Next है, with which man Al-Baruni came to India? Mahmud of Ghazni. Next है, which kingdom was annexed by Bahlol Lodi, the Sultan of Delhi in AD 1484? Jaunpur. Which sultan founded a town where now stands Agra? Sikandar Lodi. Next है, who is the parrot of India? Where was he born? Amir Khusro Patiali. In the Delhi Sultanate, which administrative unit called Paragana was headed by an official? Amil. Which sultan built the fifth story of Qutub Minar? Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Next है, why was the Delhi Sultanate virtually ended? Due to the invasion of Timur, whose nickname was the Chalisha or group of 40 Turkish nobility created by Iltutmish. Next है, the Vijay Stambh Tower of Victory at Chittor was built by which ruler? Rana Kumbha. Amir Khusro played a pioneer role in the development of which thing? Khadi Boli. Next है, by whom was the temple of Konark built? Narsimha of Ganges Eastern. Silver coin issued by Iltutmish called Tanka. Next है, what was the official language of the Delhi Sultanate? Persian. Which ruler is the most famous for building a large number of canals for irrigation? Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Next है, who was assigned the first Iqta in India by Muhammad Ghori Qutubuddin Aibak? Taimur the Lame invaded India during the reign of which ruler? Muhammad Shah Tughlaq. Next है, which Sultan of Delhi has been described by the historian as the mixture of opposites? Muhammad Tughlaq. Next है, in the Delhi Sultanate, the work of the Mustafa Mamalik was related to which? Auditing. By whom was the India's famous peacock throne and the diamond Kohinoor taken away? Nadir Shah. Next question है, which Sultan added the Alai Darwaza to the Qutub Minar? Alauddin Khilji. Next है, which ruler died while playing Chaugan? Jalauddin Khilji. Next है, which ruler was the builder of Jahanpana, Delhi Fort City? Sultan Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Next है, which kingdom was annexed by Bahlol Lodi, the Sultan of Delhi in 1484 AD? Jaunpur. Which Muslim emperor was attracted by the beauty of Queen Padmini? Alauddin Khilji. Next है, which Rajput king defeated Muhammad Ghori first time? पृथ्वीराज थर्ड. अब आता है रिलीजियस मूवमेंट. इसमें पहला क्वेश्चन है, विच कांड ऑफ रामायण डिस्क्राइब द फर्स्ट मीटिंग ऑफ राम एंड हनुमाना? किष्किंधा कांड. द भक्ति मूवमेंट वॉज स्टार्टेड बाय अलवर सेन. लेट नो मैन आस्क अ मैन सेक्ट और कास्ट हुज डिक्टम वॉज दिस? रामानंदा. फेमस मेडाइवल सेंट शंकर Deva belong to which cult? Vaishnav cult. Who composed Bijak? Kabir. Next है, a collection of dialogues between Kabir and Dharmadas is titled Amar Mool. Which Sikh Guru wrote Gurumukhi? Guru Angad. The follower of Ramanuja are known as Vaishnavas. Next है, where was the Guru Nanak born? Nankana. Who wrote Rag Govind? Mirabai. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is related to which sect? Vaishnav. Next question है, the book Ramcharitmanas was written by Tulsidas. Sikh Nizamuddin Aulia was a disciple of Baba Farid. Next है, who had Guru Nanak appointed his successor? Guru Angad को. The city of Amritsar in Punjab was established by Guru Ramdas. Who compiled Adi Granth or Guru Granth Sahib? Guru Arjun Dev. Who founded the Khalsa? Guru Gobind Singh. The Vedas contain all the truth was interpreted by which person? Swami Dayanand. Next है, in which reign of India was Firdausi order of Sufism popular? बिहार. By whom was the oldest composition in Punjabi devotional composition Baba Farid? Next है Vijayanagar and other kingdoms. What was the ancient name of Ujjain? Avantika. By whom was the first republic of world was established in Vaishali? Lichavis. Who was given the title of Andhra Kavita Pitamah? Pedanna. Which Bahmani ruler built the famous Gol Gumbaz at Bijapur? Muhammad Adil Shah. On which bank is the Hampi situated? Tungabhadra. Next है when did Bahmani kingdom in South India extinguish in the beginning of 60th century? What was the capital of Bahmani kingdom? Gulbarga. Next question. Niccolo Conti, the traveller who visited Vijayanagar kingdom in 1420 AD belongs to which country? Italy. Which was the first dynasty of Vijayanagar kingdom? Sangam. Next question है the kingdom of Vijayanagar came into existence during the reign of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. When Babur invaded India, who was the ruler of Vijayanagar kingdom? Krishnadev Rai. Next है what was the capital of Kakatiya dynasty? Warangal. Portuguese traveller Nunes visited Vijayanagar during the reign of which ruler? Achyut Rai. A forgotten empire written a historian Robert Sewell is about which empire? Vijayanagar Empire. Next है Mughal period. First question. In which year did Babur defeated Sultan Ibrahim Lodi at the Battle of Panipat? 1526 AD. During which battle did Babur declare jihad? Battle of Khanwa. Who was defeated in the Battle of Khanwa? Rana Sanga. After becoming Mughal ruler in India, Zahiruddin Muhammad assumed the name of Babur. Next है which Hindu Rajya has been mentioned in Babarnama? Mewar. In which language was Tuzuke Babri written? Turkish. Next है who built the Babri mosque established in Ayodhya? Mir Baki. Which ruler first assumed the title of Hazrat Ala and afterwards Sultan? Shershah Suri. Next है which ruler constructed a road from East Bengal to Peshawar called Sadke-Azam? Shershah. After the downfall of the Delhi Sultanate, who was the first ruler to issue the gold coin? Humayun. Next है who issued pure silver rupiah? That is Shershah. Where was mausoleum of Shershah? Shashara. The Battle of Haldighati was fought in 1576 AD. Next है Akbar launched Deen-e-Ilahi in which year? 1582 AD. Who constructed Ibadat Khana? Akbar. Next है which Mughal emperor introduced educational reforms? Akbar. Jahangir Mahal is located at Agra. Next है where is the tomb of Akbar located? Sikandra. Next question है the translation of Mahabharat into Persian in the time of Akbar was carried out under the supervision of Faizi. The Persian translation of Mahabharat, which was done in the 60th century, is called Razm Nama. The Jain monk who stayed for a few years in the court of Akbar and was honored the title of Jagat Guru was Hari Vijay Suri. Indian ruler contemporary of Queen Elizabeth I of England was Akbar. Who was the first Englishman to visit Akbar's court? Rolf Fitch. Next है Akbar merged Bengal and Bihar in his empire in which year? 1576 AD. Who introduced Do Aspa and Shri Aspa system? Akbar. In whose reign was the Treaty of Chittor signed between Mughal and the Rana of Mewar? Jahangir. Next है who was the envoy of British King James I to Jahangir's court? William Hawkins. Where was the Emperor Jahangir buried? Lahore. Mughal painting reached its zenith under which ruler? Jahangir. Next है Khushro was the son of which Mughal emperor? Jahangir. What was the actual name of Mumtaz Mahal? Arjuman Bano Begum. Next है who constructed Jama Masjid in Delhi? Shah Jahan. Who shifted the capital of empire from Agra to Delhi? Shah Jahan. Who made the Red Fort in Delhi? Shah Jahan. Next है Upanishads were translated into Persian during the reign of which ruler? Shah Jahan. Next है the Upanishads were translated into Persian by Dara Shikoh under the title Sire Akbar. Which Mughal emperor was known as Jinda Pir? Aurangzeb. Next है, two of the states which Aurangzeb had conquered in Deccan were Bijapur and Golconda. Who reimposed jizya? Aurangzeb. Moti Masjid in the Red Fort at Delhi was built by Aurangzeb. Next है, where is Tansen's tomb located? Gwalior. Who wrote Humayunama? Gulbadan Begum. Who translated Babarnama into English? Leiden and Erskine. What was the court language of Mughals? Persian. Next है, who wrote the famous works Ramchandrika and Rasikpriya? Keshav. Aurangzeb is responsible for which Sikh prophet's death? Guru Tegh Bahadur. Which Mughal emperor is known by the name of Rangila Muhammad Shah? Who was last Mughal emperor of India? Bahadur Shah Zafar. Next है, who was the last governor of Bengal appointed by Mughal emperor? Murshid Quli Khan. Al-Baruni lived during the period of which king? Mahmud Ghaznavi. By whom was the Deen-e-Ilahi accepted? Birbal. Next है, during which ruler did Bernier visited India? Shah Jahan. Next है, between whom the battle of Dharmat was fought? Aurangzeb and Dara Shikoh. To whom in the phrase who died to sudden fall entitled to Humayun. Next है, which Mughal is regarded as the adventurer than a ruler? Babur. Who was the first Indian ruler to organize Hajj pilgrimage at the expenses of the state? Akbar. Next है, for whom was the peacock throne made? Shah Jahan. Next है, to whom was place for Amritsar given by Mughal emperor Akbar? Guru Ramdas. Which Mughal emperor had the longest reign? Muhammad Shah. Which queen enjoyed political power along with her husband Noor Jahan? Which Englishman was honoured by Jahangir with the title of Khan? William Hawkins. Which kingdom was annexed to the Mughal Empire during the reign of Shah Jahan? Ahmednagar. How was the Akbar's land revenue system known as Japti system? Who was the founder of the autonomous kingdom of Awadh? Shadat Khan Burhanul Mulk. Who invented the technique of extracting scent from the rose? Noor Jahan. Next है, which Mughal emperor prohibited the use of tobacco? Aurangzeb. Which was the most prominent industry that flourished during the Mughal period? Cotton textile. Who issued Farman granting Diwani of Bengal, Bihar and Odisha to the English? Shah Alam II. Next है, who was the founder of the second Afghan Empire in India? Sher Shah Suri. Which popular Sufi silsila tried to counteract the liberal religious policy of Akbar? Naqshbandi. Who was the first Mughal emperor to issue a farman in favor of the British to open a factory at Surat? Jahangir. Next है, which is the similar to the Taj Mahal in construction? Humayun's tomb. The most famous musician at the courts of Akbar was Tansen. What was his original name? Ramtanu Pandey. Who was the famous first Mughal emperor to allow Britishers to establish trade link with India? Jahangir. Next है, during the decline of the Mughal Empire, by whom were the Jats were organized into a political force? Badan Singh. Next है, where did Akbar build the Panch Mahal, noted for its various types of pillar? Fatehpur Sikri. Who built the mausoleums of Jahangir and were Noor Jahan at Lahore? In whose rule was Islam as the state religion abolished? Akbar. Who was the most famous court poet of Akbar? Abdur Rahim Khane Khana. Next है, a Jain scholar who was greatly honored by Akbar? Harvijay. Akbar founded his own religion known as Deen-e-Ilahi. What does it mean? Divine. In which year did Akbar defeat Rana Pratap in the Battle of Haldighati 1576? Which territory was outside the boundaries of the Mughal Empire during the reign of Akbar? Bijapur. When Akbar surrounded Chittor fort, who saved it for 4 months? Jaimal. Next है, which part was called Babul Makkah, Gate of Makkah during the Mughal period? Surat. नेक्स्ट है हु वॉज इशूड द कॉइन रूपी फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम? शेरशाह सूरी. द नंबर ऑफ वाइफ्स ऑफ विच मुगल रूलर फेल शॉर्ट इवन of the Quranic allowance of for Aurangzeb. Next है during which ruler were Upanishads translated into Persian? Shahjahan. When Akbar was born, Humayun was under the shelter of which king? Raja of Amarkot. Who was the last Mughal emperor to sit on the peacock throne? Muhammad Shah. Next है which Mughal emperor gave land to the construction of Golden Temple at Amritsar? Akbar. During the Mughal rule, by which name was the copper coin known? दाम. सो दिस इज़ ऑल फॉर टुडे. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आगे के क्वेश्चंस को कंटिन्यू करेंगे. तब तक के लिए कीप प्रिपेयरिंग, कीप शाइनिंग. थैंक यू.